It is the popular saying that a healthy society is a wealthy one. On the Great Mind program, medical experts are available to provide solutions to various health challenges. You desire greatness in life. Successful men and women in the society are available on the Great Mind program to reveal to you the secrets to their greatness. The Great Mind of Nancy Oshogbo is a watch for all. Meet me on the program every Sunday between 3:30 and 4 p.m. Happy Sunday. I'm Bola Olayode. You're welcome to the special edition dedicated to the card presented by Governor Adegboyega Oyesola to the vulnerable people in Osun State to benefit from the free medical care component of Osun Health Insurance Agency. It was an historical repeat date. Come along with me. Thursday, December 2, 2021, an history was made in Netherlands with the triumphant entrance of the Governor of Osun State, Adegboyega Oyetola, to the ancient town to officially present beneficiary card of Osun Health Insurance Scheme to the vulnerable people in the state under the Basic Health Care Provision Fund and the State Equity Fund program. People threw crowds en masse to give rousing welcome to Governor Adegboyega Oyesola in appreciation of his kind-heartedness with his total commitment to the well-being of entire citizenry as a qualitative health care service being provided by Osun Health Insurance Agency is part of the fulfillment of the promises made by him to the people of the state in the year 2018 while seeking for their mandate to govern the state. The achievements of Governor Adegboyega Oyetola's led administration in health sector through Osun Health Insurance Agency is unsurpassed, among which are the establishment of 16 drug distribution centers across secondary health facilities in the state, the payment of about 477 million premium for the enrollment of vulnerable citizens in the state, as 69,366 vulnerable people have been so far accessing qualitative health care through the free health care component of Osun Health Insurance Agency, while the agency still continues to enroll more vulnerable citizens of the state to benefit from the free medical care. Also, more than 250 surgical operations have been performed for free by the agency. In his welcome address at the epoch-making event, the chairman, board of directors, Osun Health Insurance Agency, Honorable Adeoye Adelakun, who commended Governor Adegboyega Oyetola for the fulfillment of his promise to the people of the state, maintained that Governor Adegboyega Oyetola's led administration has made the health of the people of the state his top priority because it is a human right that cannot be denied any member of the society.
The Osun Health Insurance Scheme is a product of the continuity agenda of the APC government in Osun and the passion of our able governor, Mr. Isiaka Adegboyega Oyetola, for the health of the inhabitants of the state. The law establishing the scheme was assented to by the former governor on the 28th of November 2018, barely 7 days to the commencement of his administration. our action governor, Adegboyega Oyetola, didn't see it as an excess luggage, considering the amount of financial commitment the government needed to attend to, but went ahead to take up for the agency. So, the equity grant from the state government in fulfillment of the promise to the electorate.
The Executive Secretary, Board of Directors, Osun Health Insurance Agency, who is also the National Chairman, Forum of Executive Secretaries, Health Insurance Agency nationwide, Dr. Adeniyi Ogini, speaking from memory, gave insight on the journey of Osun Health Insurance Agency so far, as Osun Health Insurance Agency is leading among the Committee of States throughout the Federation.
It is my pleasure this afternoon to briefly take us through not just the journey of the establishment and the activities that followed the establishment of Osun Health Insurance Agency and the scheme, but also to just highlight some of the key achievements in this scheme, which would never have been possible but for the capacity, the character, and the personality of our governor. And I say this not to flatter anyone, but like you must have heard, in this country, to the glory of God, I am the chairman of the Forum of all Chief Executive Officers of State Health Insurance Agencies in Nigeria. And so I know exactly what each of the governors are doing. Our governor has surpassed all other governors in his commitment to the promise which he made to the people of Osun State, that he will provide them qualitative health care on an equitable basis and at a price, a cost that will not cause any financial embarrassment. And this is what has happened to the glory of God and the benefit of the people of this state. The journey started with the appointment of the ES, the passage of the law, and the moment our governor was sworn in November 2018, immediately I went to him. This is what we have on ground. There was actually nothing that had been established. It was our sitting governor that gave us 150 million naira, which was our take-off grant, with which we established the agency. We bought vehicles, we set up our ICT infrastructure, we did all of the administrative things that was necessary, and we acquired personnel from the civil service, we acquired an office space, and we started the agency. We started from one room in the Ministry of Health. Today, to the glory of God, we have occupied a place, even though not our own permanent place. But I also want to thank Mr. Governor because he has graciously also approved the erection of the Osun Health Insurance Complex in the 2022 budget. Please a round of applause for Mr. Governor. By the grace of God, before the first half of next year, the Osun Health Insurance Complex will be sitting in Abere, and you can be sure it's going to be a very beautiful and intimidating edifice. After we received the take-off grant, immediately Mr. Governor followed with 477 million for us to take care of the vulnerable persons in this state. And we took the social register. From the social register, we started our validation in every ward of this state. We visited the 332 wards. You see, we have many vehicles. All of those vehicles are functional vehicles. There was nowhere we didn't get to, including Sokoto. We will go everywhere in the local government to ensure that we got the people, we saw their vulnerability, and we brought them on board. Many of them you will see today have their cards, and they have been receiving treatment in the 332 focal primary health centers, most of which have already completed in terms of renovation. That also sets us as a step ahead of many others in the state and in the whole federation, in the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Now, having received the equity grant, the governor also signed the circular for payroll deduction of civil servants. And I thank God for the presence of the labor. The labor movement was very supportive, and the governor has not reneged in adding the 3% of the basic salary as workers' insurance premium. To this effect, the workers, over 84,000, both dependents and the principals, have been enrolled in the scheme and they are enjoying the service. In fact, I see many of our civil servants, when they go to the hospital, they are given the same drug they used to be given for 5,000 naira, and they are told to pay 500 naira. In fact, somebody once was saying, is this possible in Osun State? I say, give thanks to the support which we have received from the governor, Mr. Adeboyega Oyetola, who promised and who is walking the talk. He is keeping the promise. Because of that, as our pocket expenditure for health has been reduced remarkably. I mean, there was another person that sits in the senior section who would have paid 180,000. This person, when he was given a bill of 10,600, they went to ask the nurse, are you sure that you gave me the right bill? And this person was told that is the correct bill. Because you are not charged for civilian section, you are charged for just 10% of the drugs, and they paid 10,600 naira. All thanks also to the support which we have received from our governor. That's why we are very happy today that he is here to do the presentation to the vulnerables. It is not only the vulnerables who are enjoying this scheme, the vulnerables are enjoying it, the informal sector people are enjoying it, the formal sector people are enjoying it. Now after we have done that, we also brought in our facilities, 432 of them, 332 private centers, and the other 100 both public and private secondary facilities. Today, to the glory of God, Osun Health Insurance Agency has a reputation of not owing money meant for capitation. The first week of the month, we pay capitation based on the enrollee strength to all our facilities, both government and private. And with this, they've been able to upgrade the structure of their hospitals, both at the first, the public hospital and the private hospital. Many of them have hired more staff. Many of them have brought in ICT infrastructure. Many of them have upgraded in terms of alternative power supply. Many of them have upgraded in terms of alternative water supply. And there is a progressive increase in quality, both at the public and the private sector. Very soon, the agency is going to assist the state hospital at Shugaro in getting a 500 kVA generator so that they can have the problem of this darkness in Ashugaro completely solved permanently. These are some of the areas in which the agency has also translated to effective upgrading of our facilities. In terms of personnel, the agency also, its establishment has reduced the issue of unemployment in the state. The governor also, as a step ahead of others, when he was told about the problems of the shortage of drugs in our facilities, he gave approval for us to establish the OIS Drug Distribution Center, which became the first drug distribution center to be owned by any health insurance agency in this country. And right now, 2 weeks ago, we were in Abuja. The NHIS, the National Health Insurance Scheme, is also now crafting a policy for their own drug supply because, of course, they have seen quite a lot of things that's happening effectively in our state. And very soon, NHIS is going to have its own branded drugs, which will now be supplied to all states in the country. Yes, we are doing very fine, but I will not end this without letting every one of us here know that Mr. Governor is going to receive an award from the UCH Forum, the UCH 2023 Forum, in collaboration with the Chatham House London. He is going to get an award as an ambassador for better health in Nigeria. And this is going to be done on the 16th of December at the Yapadua International Conference Center. These are all in recognition of what Mr. Governor has done to better the health of the people of Osun State.
Comrade Jacob Adekomi, the state chairman of Nigeria Labour Congress (NLC), was represented at the occasion by Comrade Gbadebo Awotayo to deliver the go-away message.
The leadership of Nigeria Labour Congress (NLC) is glad to identify with the government of Osun on this occasion and equally using this medium to appeal to the well-meaning individuals, the rich and philanthropists to join hands with Osun State government to finance this lifelong project that our visionary governor, Mr. Isaka Agboyega Oyetola, had commenced in Osun State.
Alhaji Sule Alao, who spoke on behalf of the Forum of Elders in Osun State, was full of gratitude to Governor Adegboyega Oyetola for his commitment to the health of the people of Osun State. More Special Assistant to the Governor on Public Health, Dr. Shiji Olamijo, enumerated the achievements of Governor Adegboyega Oyetola's led administration and solicited for more support for the Governor from the people. Speaker Osun State House of Assembly Honorable Timothy Oweye was represented at the occasion by Honorable Wale Adedoyin.
And I must tell Mr. Governor today that from the State House of Assembly, we are in support of this program and we are in support of your government. And I must state clearly today, sir, your success is our success. If you succeed, we in the State House of Assembly, you succeeded. And we are proud of all your achievements.
The chairman of All Progressive Congress APC, Prince Adegboyega Famodu, solicited for the support from the residents in Ede Town for Governor Adegboyega Oyetola's led administration. Senior Federal His Royal Majesty Oba Mudin Lawal Lamisa II could not hide his joy at the historical event. He was full of gratitude to Governor Adegboyega Oyetola for the various developmental projects he has embarked upon in Ede land. In his speech, Governor Adegboyega Oyetola, who assured the people of the state of the continuous commitment of his administration to their well-being, pointed out that Osun Health Insurance Agency is established for the people of the state to have access to qualitative health care free from financial hardship.
With the third year anniversary of administration, I would like to thank the leadership of OAIS for the standing performance of OAIS since the agency commenced operation. Recall that the law establishing this agency was earlier passed into law in November 2018 to provide affordable and quality healthcare services to the residents of the state without houses.
The governor was, however, assisted by the chairman, board of directors of Osun Health Insurance Agency, Honorable Adeoye Adelakun, to officially present the OAIS beneficiary card to the vulnerable citizens. Beneficiaries of the free health care components of Osun Health Insurance Agency are full of gratitude to Governor Adegboyega Oyetola and Osun Health Insurance Agency.
Our governor is a able governor for establishing this particular health insurance. He has brought something good health to all those and follow of Osun State. I'm here to commend the state governor, in person of Alhaji Adegboyega, what is good work, especially on the free health care. I really commend it and we really appreciate it.
From Olasukun Amisumonu, Director of Programs, Osun Health Insurance Agency, gave the vote of thanks on behalf of the agency.
The government board, management and staff of Osun Health Insurance Agency hereby express our profound gratitude and appreciation to the executive governor of Osun State. My father, Alhaji Isaac Adegboyega Oyetola, and all members of the cabinet, from the deputy governor, students here, we are so happy and elated. Members of the State House of Assembly, and my father, my friends, the Kumi Obede land.
Ọba Mùlẹ̀dún Alẹ́ṣọlá Lawal lábẹ́nísà ọ̀bẹ̀dẹ̀ kábíyèsí àdúgbò lọ́wọ́ yìí and the entire people of Benin town.
À ń ṣe àkànṣe ètò yìí ní Yorùbá lónìí láti fi ṣe ayẹyẹ ìpín káàdì ìdánimọ̀ fún àwọn tí kò rówó lọlé láwùjọ tí gómìnà Adégbóyèga Oyètọ́lá lọ ṣe ní ìlú Ẹdẹ fún àwọn tí kò rówó lọlé láti lè máa jàǹfààní ètò ìlera ọ̀fẹ́ tí ilé iṣẹ́ adójútòfò fún ètò ìlera ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun gbé kalẹ̀ fún àwọn tí kò rówó lọlé láwùjọ ìbámikalọ. Ọjọ́bọ̀ tó jẹ́ ọjọ́ kejì nínú oṣù kejìlá ọdún 2021 jẹ́ ọjọ́ mánigbàgbé nínú ìtàn ní ìlú Ẹdẹ tó jẹ́ ìlú ìṣẹ̀ǹbáyé ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun níbi tí gbogbo ará ìlú ti tú yáyá síta láti wá pàdé gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun Adégbóyèga Oyètọ́lá níbi tí gómìnà ti lọ pín káàdì iléeṣẹ́ ìlera adójútòfò Ọ̀ṣun Health Insurance Agency fún àwọn tí kò rówó orí láwùjọ láti lè máa jẹ àǹfààní ètò ìlera ọ̀fẹ́ níwọ̀n ìgbà tó jẹ́ wípé ìlera lọ́rọ̀. Níṣe ni àwọn ènìyàn fò fáyọ̀ tí wọ́n fi tijó tìlù kí gómìnà káàbọ̀ sí ìlú Ẹdẹ nítorí pé àwọn ènìyàn mọrírì takuntakun iṣẹ́ tí gómìnà Oyètọ́lá ṣe lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ìlera ará ìlú níwọ̀n ìgbà tó jẹ́ wípé ara ìmúṣẹ ìlérí gómìnà fún àwọn ará ìlú nígbà tó ń dùpò láti jẹ́ gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun ní ètò ìlera tí kò lẹ́gbẹ́ fún àwọn ará ìlú èyí tí gómìnà Oyètọ́lá sì mú ìlérí náà ṣẹ nípa ìdásílẹ̀ àjọ ètò ìlera adójútòfò tó ń ṣe onírúurú àgbékalẹ̀ ètò ìlera tó dángájíá fún ará ìlú.
Àwọn àjọ OIS ní gbogbo ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun ni wọ́n rán wa níṣẹ́ o. Wọ́n ní ká ní Adégbóyèga ti gbà ààrẹ dáṣẹ́.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ìjọba tó ń ṣàdéhùn tó máa ń múṣẹ́ kò sì sí ohun tí ẹkú ń gbé ṣe ìdéhùn ìjọba ní onírúurú àwùjọ kódà ló ṣe ilẹ̀ òkèèrè ìjọba àwùjọ tí ò bá ti ní ìlera tó kó ṣe pẹ́pẹ́ ó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá wọ́pọ̀ ẹgbẹ́ àti òkè nínú àwùjọ bẹ́ẹ̀ nínú ọrọ̀ ajé òtún bá ń tẹ̀lé.
Àṣeyọrí tí gómìnà Adégbóyèga Oyètọ́lá ti ṣe lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ètò ìlera ará ìlú kò lẹ́gbẹ́ nípasẹ̀ iléeṣẹ́ ìlera adójútòfò Ọ̀ṣun Health Insurance Agency tí ọ̀rùnwébù Adéoyè Adélakùn jẹ́ alága fún tí dókítà Adéníyì Ògínní tó jẹ́ alága fún gbogbo àgbáríjọ àwọn akọ̀wé àgbà àjọ adójútòfò ètò ìlera káàkiri èdè Nàìjíríà jẹ́ akọ̀wé àgbà fún. Nínú ọ̀rọ̀ ìkíni káàbọ̀ rẹ̀ alága iléeṣẹ́ adójútòfò ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun ọ̀rùnwébù Adéoyè Adélakùn tó gbóríyìn fún gómìnà ṣàlàyé wípé àdásílẹ̀ iléeṣẹ́ adójútòfò jẹ́ ìmúṣẹ ìlérí gómìnà fún àwọn olùgbé ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun láti rí wípé gbogbo ará ìlú wà ní àlàáfíà wípé nítorí ìlera lọ́rọ̀.
Òun bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni gómìnà wa.
Akọ̀wé àgbà fún iléeṣẹ́ ètò ìlera adójútòfò dókítà Adéníyì Ògínní tún pẹ̀rẹ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ bí iléeṣẹ́ náà ti ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ àti gbogbo àṣeyọrí tí iléeṣẹ́ náà ti ṣe lórí ètò ìlera láàrú nípasẹ̀ àtìlẹ́yìn gómìnà nínú eléyìí tí a ti ń rí kíkọ́ ilé ìpín oògùn sí ilé ìwòsàn 16 káàkiri ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun 250 iṣẹ́ abẹ ọ̀fẹ́ fún àwọn tí kò rówó rọrí láwùjọ ó lé ní irinwó tó lé ní mílíọ̀nù náírà fún ìwòsàn ọ̀fẹ́ fún àwọn tí kò rówó rọrí láwùjọ sísan díẹ̀ ní 4 mílíọ̀nù náírà fún àwọn ilé ìwòsàn tó ń tọ́jú àwọn tó forúkọ sílẹ̀ lábẹ́ àjọ adójútòfò ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun gbígba àwọn ènìyàn ṣiṣẹ́ àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Alága ìgbáríjọ àwọn akọ̀wé àgbà fún àwọn iléeṣẹ́ adójútòfò ìlera tún káàkiri orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà tún jẹ́ kí gbogbo ènìyàn mọ̀ nípa èròǹgbà àwọn tó ń ṣagbátẹrù ètò ìlera lágbàáyé tí wọ́n fẹ́ fi àmì ẹ̀yẹ dá gómìnà Oyètọ́lá lọ́lá nípa mímọ rírì gbogbo iṣẹ́ takuntakun rẹ̀ lórí ètò ìlera. Gbogbo àwọn tó sọ̀rọ̀ níbi ayẹyẹ náà ni wọ́n fi ọkàn ìmoore hàn sí gómìnà Oyètọ́lá àti iléeṣẹ́ àjọ adójútòfò nínú èyí tí a ti rí alága APC ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun ọmọọba Gbóyèga Fámúdù aṣojú àgbáríjọ ìgbìmọ̀ àgbà ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun Alhaji Sule Alao olùdámọ̀ràn pàtàkì fún gómìnà lórí ìlera aláìlú dókítà Síjì Ọlámìjú olùmọ̀ràn pàtàkì fún gómìnà lórí ìlera ará ìlú.
Ìtẹ̀síwájú pàtàkì tí ẹgbẹ́ wa ṣe ó ní health insurance scheme. A tún wá dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gómìnà àti ìjọba wọn pé wọ́n mú ọ̀rọ̀ ìlera àwọn aráàlú lọ́kùnkúndùn. Gómìnà sà, ìṣẹ́ ni mo kí yín kú oríire. Ẹni tó bá ṣèlérí, ó rọrùn láti ṣèlérí, ṣùgbọ́n kò rọrùn láti múṣẹ. Ṣùgbọ́n Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kó rọ̀ yín lọ́rùn láti mú lè rí iṣẹ́.
Tìmí tìlú Ẹdẹ ọba Muyideen Lawal Lámiléṣà kejì fi ìdùnnú hàn gidigidi sí gómìnà àti àjọ ètò ìlera adójútòfò fún iṣẹ́ takuntakun tí wọ́n ń ṣe.
àti dákúndé lọ́dọ̀ náà pé ìjọba tiwa ìlú wà bẹ́ẹ̀. gómìnà mo kí mo fi Ọlọ́run ọba tó láyé tọrọ mo fi kí wọ́n tẹnu wọn pé tó tóbi bẹ́ẹ̀ ni gómìnà aláǹfààní láti máa jọ pàdé pàápàá ní mọ́tà. mo mọ̀ pé èèyàn gẹ́gẹ́ lọ́lọ́run dání. ẹni tó níbẹ̀rù lọ́lọ́run dání.
Gómìnà Adégbóyèga Oyètọ́lá ṣàlàyé pé ìmúṣẹ ìlérí tí òun ṣe ní ètò ìlera tí ìjọba òun mú ní ọ̀kúnkúndùn.
ká dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ náà pé a bẹ̀rẹ̀ ètò ìlera yìí fún àǹfààní àwọn èèyàn wa. Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ gbàdúrà wa á rí ṣe. Ìlera lọ́rọ̀.
Honorable Adéoyè Adélakùn alága ètò ìlera àjọ adójútòfò ran gómìnà lọ́wọ́ láti pín káàdì ìdánimọ̀ fún àwọn ènìyàn tí kò rọ́wọ́ rọrí láwùjọ láti jàǹfààní ètò ìlera ọ̀fẹ́. Àwọn olùjàǹfààní náà kò ṣàìfẹ̀mí ìmoore wọn hàn sí gómìnà àti iléeṣẹ́ ètò ìlera adójútòfò ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun.
wọ́n gbé kalẹ̀ kárí ayé yìí ti àwọn adójútòfò ìṣèjọba gbáà ni. adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gómìnà Adégbóyèga Isiaq Oyètọ́lá fún iṣẹ́ ìtàn ṣe adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn.
dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ìjọba Gbóyèga Oyètọ́lá fún ìṣèjọba tó gbé kalẹ̀ ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun.
dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gómìnà wa olóríire ẹlẹ́yinjú àánú Alhaji Isiaq Gbóyèga Oyètọ́lá.
àwọn èèyàn dẹ̀ ń dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn, àwọn èèyàn náà ń gbàdúrà fún wọn, ilé àtọ̀nà wọn ò ní bàjẹ́. a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gómìnà wa Alhaji Isiaq Oyètọ́lá pẹ̀lú iṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe fún wa pẹ̀lú ètò ìlera ọ̀fẹ́.
sọ̀rọ̀sọ̀rọ̀ kí gbogbo wa káàbọ̀ síbi ètò pàtàkì tóní. Let me on behalf of the governor of the state of Osun.
Olùpòògùn òyìnbó Ọlásùnkànmí Sùnmọ́nù tó jẹ́ adarí ètò fún iléeṣẹ́ àjọ adójútòfò ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun fẹ̀mí ìmoore hàn sí gómìnà àti gbogbo àwọn tó fọwọ́ ti ilé iṣẹ́ náà lẹ́yìn tó fi ní àṣeyọrí rẹ̀.
ọ̀yá dẹ́bí pọ̀ wá nílé iṣẹ́ wa Ọlọ́run ní tí ó já o Ọlọ́run ní tí ó rẹ̀ yín láti máa pààrọ̀ ẹ̀yin lẹ́ gbé wa débi tá a dé yìí Ọlọ́run ní padà lẹ́yìn tìyín náà gbogbo tẹ́ ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run bẹ́ẹ̀ máa ń fẹ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ ọmọ sáyìn rẹ̀.
A gbàdúrà fọ́lọ́run láti túbọ̀ máa bá wa kún gómìnà Adégbóyèga Oyètọ́lá lọ́wọ́ láti lè ṣe àṣeyọrí rẹ̀ lórí gbogbo àdéhùn rẹ̀ fún ìgbáyégbádùn àwọn ènìyàn ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun. With that, we are ending this week edition of the program That Great Mind. Join me next Sunday for another educative edition. Till then, stay blessed.